So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you have received the 1099 for your self-employed income and want to claim eligible business deductions, here's how to enter everything in Turbotax. Firstly, sign into Turbotax and open your tax return. Go to Federal and select Income and Expenses. When Turbotax asks about your income, select self-employed, freelance or business income. Enter the amount reported on your 1099 and make sure the amount matches your tax document. Next, Turbotax will ask about your business expenses. Just enter your eligible documents such as supplies, advertising, business mileage, or other qualifying expenses. For vehicles, just enter your actual mileage records. Now, Turbotax will calculate the applicable deductions and use your business income and expenses to determine your taxable profit and applicable self-employment tax. Review the information carefully and compare it with your 1099 and supporting records. And that's it, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks if you like the video. I will see you on the next one.